Hello and greetings from Kraków, from an area near the Vistula River. My name is Anna Tomaszewska and I'm an associate professor at the Institute of Philosophy of the Jagiellonian University, where I teach early modern philosophy. Today I will speak about Kant and religion. Was Kant religious? Some biographers are inclined to say he was not. As one of his friends reported, by the end of his life, Kant used to say, "Believe nothing, hope for nothing, do your duty here." Yet, philosophy of religion plays a vital role in Kant's critical system. In a letter to another friend, Kant places religion in the area of pure philosophy. Religion addresses the question, what may I hope? But what is religion according to Kant? In his main work on the topic, Religion Within the Boundaries of Mere Reason, Kant defines religion as the recognition of all our duties as divine commands. This means that a religious person considers herself to live in a world in which God is the legislator. In such a world, which is not identical with the world as we know it, happiness is duly proportioned to the morality of agents. This is Kant's ideal of the highest good. The highest good cannot be brought about by merely human or natural means. This is because human beings do not have the capacity to assess each other's moral standing, nor is our world arranged in such a way that happiness would accompany morality as a rule. Therefore, the existence of God must be postulated as the condition of the possibility of the realization of the moral ideal. Morality leads inevitably to religion. A moral person wants the highest good to be brought about, and faith in God makes this desire plausible. Kant's approach to religion as a way of looking at morality seems to be a far cry from how many of us understand religion nowadays, that is, as a set of creeds and related practices. For Kant, religion is rational, hence it must be universal. For Kant, religion is rational in contrast to a religion understood as revealed, suprarational, or rooted in embodied communal practices. Also, as a corollary of morality, religion must be based on freedom, to the extent that it can be had regardless of whether one has been born and raised Jewish, Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, etc., or without any confession. Kant's religion can be considered natural, rooted in human nature as rational nature. Such a description of religion reminds of deism, a type of Enlightenment religiosity advocated by Edward Herbert of Cherbury, Matthew Tyndall, Voltaire, Hermann Samuel Reimarus, and others. Yet, Kant was not a deist for at least two reasons. First, he denied the idea that we can know God by means of our natural capacities, in particular reason. Second, he accepted revelation as a tool for the propagation of pure moral faith. He thought that without the so-called ecclesiastical faith, inculcated by a visible church with the help of Holy Writ, human beings would find it difficult, if not impossible, to develop the moral faith. Kant's approach to revelation bears a resemblance to Gotthold Ephraim Lessing's account of revealed religions as expedient in the process of the education of the human race. The process should come to an end once humanity realizes that reason is its sole moral compass, and once human beings learn to pursue the good for its own sake. Yet, Kant was more worried than optimistic about the outcome of such a process. For he thought that there is an indelible propensity for evil in all human beings, and as both sensible and rational, human beings, according to Kant, will always need ecclesiastical faith for their moral empowerment. Besides, unlike Lessing, Kant favored Christianity as especially fit for the propagation of moral faith and hence for the education of the human race. Kant's attitude to Christianity testifies to a cultural bias, but not to a conflation of a historical religion with pure moral faith. Rather, it shows the emergence of Kant's growing appreciation for history as a means for the realization of rational ideals. Christianity offers symbols by means of which to convey moral teachings. For example, on Kantian reading, Christ's resurrection could be interpreted as a symbol of the victory of the good over moral depravity in us. Christianity offers thus resources to express the moral consciousness of humanity. But given that Kant takes to be human morality to be work in progress, Christian churches and all religious institutions as such should be prepared for an ongoing reform which may end up in the end of these institutions. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your attention. If you would like to know more about Kant and religion, I encourage you to read my book, Kant's Rational Religion and the Radical Enlightenment from Spinoza to Contemporary Debates, published by Bloomsbury in 2022. As of this year, the book is available in paperback edition.